welcome back. Here's how you can create this 3D pop-up effect in Canva, a designing platform. There will be a picture of a monument, and then we're going to cut several parts so that some parts of the picture of the monument is highlighted, and then we're going to duplicate it and then remove the background of the monument so that the monument has this look of popping up from the area that's selected earlier. So let's start creating one. Once you've created a new design, go to elements and then type curve. Alright, click here and then make it white. Maybe let's color the background gray so that we can see the, white part. Let's, look for a picture of something, a monument, that's to say. Let's say if we want to have the picture of Opera House in Sydney, for example, just like this. Hold on, go to photos and then, well, let's say if you want to, which picture though? This picture, for example. And then we're going to right click on the curvy shape, go to layer, bring forward just like this, go back here, and then resize it so that the area that's selected is actually coming from here. Copy and paste this again, place it here, and then copy and paste this, rotate it, drag this just like so, and then resize it and make it larger, and then copy and paste this, rotate it just like this, voila. So the selected area of the Opera House will come here, from here, that's to say, and then the entire monument will come out from here. So let's color this with some white. Go to draw and then go to pen, and then let's color it white, increase the weight, paint the entire area just like this so that there's no area left that's not white, just like this. And then afterwards, save it, share, download, PNG, download, just like so. Go to downloads when you're done. This is the picture, and then Control Z to undo. Alright, just like this until it's looks like this, and then click here, delete, and then keep the image as it is, and then go to downloads, drag it into the workspace. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. Click on this one, uploads, and then drag it into drag it into this, just like so, and then make it fit with the size of the workspace, and then click on edit, magic grab this area only. Alright, when you're done, click on it and then click on grab. It will take some time until it's fully loaded, and then it will look like this, fancy. This is, the area that we just, selected. And then all we have to do is to go to shadows, go to glow, and then change the color into white so that we can create the outlines. Change the blur amount to 0, and then the intensity to 100, the size to, let's say, 12. Alright, when you're done, export it into a PNG image file. So, delete this, and then make the background color white again, and then click on share, download, PNG, and then enable the transparent background, which is only available for Canva Pro users. For non-Canva Pro users, you can always rely on any background remove website. that you can use to remove the background. And then click on download afterwards. Wait until it's fully downloaded. Control Z to undo. Control Z to undo. Alright, undo. Delete. And then drag this into the workspace or the design. Just like this. And then add more shadows. So click on edit. And then shadows. And then click on curved. Just like this. Ooh, fancy. Now it looks fancy. Change the blur amount and the distance to this amount. You can adjust the curve just like this, and then resize it so that it fits with the, you know, the image. Resize it just like this, and then when you're done, click on this image, right click, layer, bring forward, use the background remover just like this. And then when you're done, place it so that it fits with the area that you cut. Which will be around here. Just like so. As easy as that. Alright, when you're done, you can crop it. So that this area pops up. Just like so. Alright now. Alright, now this opera house pops up. Just like this one. And then there's some area that's, you know, highlighted, and then the entire building pops up just like this one. And that's how you can create this 3D pop-up effect in Canva, a designing platform. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.